3 best fat loss tips. 1. Do cardio. Aerobic exercise, cardio, is an effective way to improve your health and burn calories. Various studies have shown that it is one of the most effective forms of exercise for reducing belly fat. The frequency and duration of your exercise program are more important than its intensity. 2. Eat a high-protein diet. Protein is an extremely important nutrient for weight control. High protein intake increases the release of the fullness hormone P, which decreases appetite and promotes fullness. Protein also raises your metabolic rate and helps you retain muscle mass during weight loss. High-protein foods, such as fish, lean meat and beans are ideal if you are trying to shed some extra pounds around your waist. 3. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep is important for many aspects of your health, including weight. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep tend to gain more weight, which may include belly fat. In addition to sleeping at least 7 hours per night, make sure you're getting sufficient quality sleep. So try doing these tips for fat loss.